here water drops are dropping from a tap. Okay, and the time between two consecutive drops are 1 second. Okay, now so that means, and it is in question it is given that the sixth drop is just coming out from the tap. So it means that the fifth drop it came out before 1 second, obviously, because sixth drop is just coming out, and the time between two consecutive drop is 1 second. Okay, so that means fifth drop it came out before how much time? Before 1 second. So time for fifth drop is 1 second. So similarly, the third drop it came out before 3 second. Okay, so time for third drop is 3 second. And one thing you have to understand is that, so when the drop is falling, so then its initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0 for both the fifth drop and third drop. All the drop for all the drops, its initial velocity is 0. Now, so what you have to find out? We have to find out uh, um, the distance between the third drop and fifth drop. Okay, so we know one equation, displacement equation, S is equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, so when you are calculating the acceleration due to gravity, so this equation will change and it will become h is equals to ut plus half gt square. A will be replaced by g. What is g? G is the acceleration due to gravity, and s is replaced by h, height. Why height? Because when a object is falling under gravity, so it will cover some height, not distance. It will cover some height. Suppose a object is falling, so it will cover some height, or it is, suppose it is um, uh, the it is going upward, so that means it is working against gravity. So in that case also it will cover some height. Okay, not distance. So at the time, so your relation will be h is equals to ut plus half gt square. Now we will apply this equation. So for third drop, okay, so h is equals to ut plus half at square. So since initial velocity of for the third drop is 0, so u into t is 0 plus half. Value of a acceleration, value of g is how much? Value of g is 10. But according to the our convention, we have taken it as minus 10. So half into minus 10 into 3 square. Time is how much? 3. So into 3 square. So 2 5 are 5. So 5 into minus 5 into 9, that means 45 meter. So that means the distance between also. So that means distance between the tap and the third drop is how much? It is 45 meter. Okay, the distance is 45 meter. Now in similarly, the for fifth drop, again its initial velocity is 0, its acceleration is 10, but according to the convention, sign convention, it is minus 10, and t is how much? T is 1 second. Okay, so if we put the values, h is equals to ut plus half, h is equals to ut plus half gt square. So u is 0, that means the ut, the whole term is 0, plus half, value of g is minus 10 and t is 1. So 2 5s are 5. So h is equals to 5 meter. Okay, so that means the distance between the tap and the fifth drop is how much? It's 5 meter. So distance between tap and the fifth drop is 5 meter, and the distance between tap and the third drop is how much? 45 meter. So that means distance between third drop and the fifth drop is how much? 45 meter minus 5 meter. So 45 minus 5 it is 40 meter. So this is your answer.